Everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome back. Well, this is the bonus. This is the bonus layout for the month of October, because we did 4 pages of the cuts that Janet had given us. And so there's only 4 Mondays in the month of October, and I needed to somehow squeeze this last layout in. So here it is. I absolutely love these papers. I can't get enough of them. They are just so beautiful. So, okay, so let me tell you which ones I have. The top one's the floral paper, and it's a 1.5 by 12. That was my paper number 1. And then paper number 4 is the plaid, and it is 4 by 12. And then paper number 3, which is the dots, which is the bottom, and it is a 6 by 12. So that was the end of all the papers. So they're all used up. And I decided to use this navy paper, the Heidi Swap paper that I didn't really care so much about. And that's what I'm going to use to back my photo. And I still had this, what is it, like 1.5 or 2 by 12 that I still had in my stash, in my kit. And I wanted to go ahead and use that up as well. So there you see 4 different patterns. It just looks so beautiful. I mean, it looks like it was just meant to be together. So this photo is a little different. So when I was in Michigan, I went out to go see my Mini Kit Monday pal, Shannon Allor. It was about an hour away from my daughter. And when I got near her house, um, well, there was this little intersection that I needed to turn left on, but it wouldn't let me turn left. I had to turn right and go, I don't know, a couple hundred feet down and take a left there and kind of do a U-turn, and then I can go turn right. It doesn't make any sense. I have never heard such a thing. But there was a lot of construction going on, and I was thinking it had to do with the construction. So when I met up with Shannon, I was telling her about what a weird intersection this is, and she goes, "Oh, have you never seen our Michigan left?" And I said, "Oh, is that what it's called? You mean it's like this all the time?" And she said, "Yes." Never heard of it before in my life, and I never drove. The last time I went to Michigan, my daughter drove. I don't remember seeing an intersection like this before. So my daughter and I, we were out driving, and we came upon one of these intersections that I needed to turn left because I was getting on the freeway, but nope, I had to do the Michigan left, and it just blows my mind. So I said, quick, quick, while we're at the red light, I said, take a picture and send it to me so I can document this, because I said, I'm going to scrap this. This is the craziest thing I've ever heard. So I did. So here it is. I don't put the full title here because first I was just going to call it Michigan Left. But you know what it really is the infamous Michigan Left, because I think it is ridiculous. I think it's pretty infamous. All right, so enough about that. So now I'm actually using some of the chipboard. I'm going to use this beautiful robin, and I'm also going to use another bird, and then this little hedgehog, porcupine thing. He's so cute. But he is going to need a flower to sit on. But once again, there's too much white around the border. So I trimmed that off, and I promise it took forever. And I promise I didn't make you watch me do all that. So there, I cut it out and placed it down so I could put I'm going to call him a hedgehog. Yeah, I think that's what I'll call him. Now, under where it says Michigan Left, I am going to put a big journaling spot there because I want it big enough for me to write everything. I didn't want to write it on the orange. I'm going to use something else. I want to use up some of these leaves. I'm so glad that I cut all those out. So easy to just dig through them and pick the ones that I want. Yeah, I'll be doing that again. I really like doing that. And I just use the new glue that I have. It's the art glitter glue. Any wet glue would work. I know I'm kind of quiet here. Don't forget to check out the other ladies from the Mini Kit Monday. I'll leave links to their channels below, as well as Janet's. I so appreciate her giving us the cuts this month, for our kits. So here I'm putting down the sequins, and as usual, I always use the Distress Collage medium to glue them down. And I seem to do better to put them down with tweezers. That's just the way I have been doing it for a while. I've just gotten so used to it. Now I'm going to be working on that journaling block. That is the back side of that navy Heidi Swap paper. See how big it is? I'm going to totally take up as much space as I possibly can. And I do want to add another chipboard. I wanted that other bird. It's facing the other direction. He's so cute. Well, I don't even tell you about the journaling, but it's there. And here are the still shots. I will see you guys next time. Thanks a lot for joining me. Bye bye.